You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is a equals 3262. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 1887 over 25 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the m. Multiply both sides by 25. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is a equals 3262.